In this video, I'll show you how to manually install Python on macOS. If your Mac already has Homebrew, you can check out my video on installing Python via Homebrew using the link in the description. But if you want to install it manually, just follow these steps. First, we need to check if your Mac already has Python installed. Open Spotlight by pressing Command Space, then type Terminal to open the app. Next, type the command which Python3. If the result returns a path like usr/bin like this, that's the system's default Python version. We shouldn't use this one. It's better to install a standalone version to avoid conflicts with the system. Now let's move on to the installation step. Open your browser and go to python.org. Switch to the Downloads tab, then select macOS. Next, click the button showing the latest Python release. If you want to install a specific version, just click on the link that says View the full list of downloads. For this video, I'll choose to download the latest version. Once the download is complete, double-click the PKG file. The installer window will appear, and you just need to click Continue and Install to proceed. If the system asks for your Mac password, go ahead and enter it to confirm. After the process is complete, Python will be located in your Applications folder, inside a folder named after the version you just installed. However, if you go back to the terminal window right now and type the command which Python3, you'll see that the path hasn't changed, and your Mac is still using the old Python version. To fix this, go back to the Python folder you just installed and run two files: Update Shell Profile and Install Certificates. You just need to double-click on each file. They will open in Terminal and automatically execute the configuration commands. Once they finish running, press Command Q to quit Terminal and reopen it, or press Command N or Command T to open a new window. Now, type the command which Python3 again. This time you'll see the path has been updated to the Python version you just installed. That means you've successfully set it up. Also, inside the Python folder in Applications, you'll find the idle app. This is an environment where you can code and test Python. Or you can just type the Python3 command directly in the terminal. So you've successfully installed Python manually on macOS. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.